sa Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Yakult Louis Seasoning we're in Pampanga. At yung kening Erazone Square, San Isidro, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Abe-abe tamo pong pakibalban nung nanuining bayong tindahan Kenny. Dati ko na yung dindaming tindahan na inilagyo na The Crave Bar. Pero eko talaga balo nung nanulareng titindahan. Magtindahan bang frap, milk tea, snacks, o nano pa. Sabi-sabi tala pong pakibalwan. Tara, lungkot mo. Kita kabalen na tuna ako kening kilub na ning The Crave Bar, located dyan ni kening San Isidro, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Actually, manibat nandin bayo kami datang. Medyo kakaro na ako eh. Daramdaman kayong puso ko, masigan niya tibok. Ko balo bakit, pero ngayong oras ay ini, balo ko na kung bakit. Kasi lo nyo naman din eh. What? Ito, first of all, thank you so much King The Crave Bar for inviting us. Akakit nyo naman po kayo ni King Table tamo. Super kadakal ng introduce the 4-hour taste test. Pero, syempre, obviously, ako naman po atikman nga din. So, we're gonna taste most of their best sellers and then discuss ko po kayo nung nanolaretang variations tamo kayo ni. Bakit makaninila kadakal din karelang sa serve and at the same time, if you're interested for the franchise, watch until the end of this video and we're gonna tell you the details nung makanano kayo po makapag-franchise kayo ng The Crave Bar. Okay, so let's start. First layer ka rin kaya katamong cups, apining ausandang mango blends. Wari, may uso lang mo naman detang mango blends, slushies, retang mga yan. So they also have their line or series of these cups. Okay, next on the line is karelang avocado blends naman. So for the first time, may karamdam kong avocado blends na titinda. On the third line kaya katamong table, apin din rin karelang Yakult series, infused lang different kind of fruit juices and at the same time atin lang kanong add kayo for, you know, vitamins and minerals and papasigan. I don't know, pero definitely for sure this is gonna be your healthy line of drinks right here. Now on this side, so din rin kayo katamong fruit teas. Of course, may uso na laritang tea drinks at tamong milk tea later on sa pisabihan tala. But this line here is your fruit teas. So if you're looking for that one, available lang yan in The Crave Bar. Some time ago, may usula talaga rin frappes. So may mag-intola rin cafe, mga coffee shops, rin frappe drinks. May uso lang mo naman. They are available here. As you can see, karakalta po rin, no? Okay, kaya kata mo naman, middle section is their milk teas. So right now, we have 6 cups of milk teas, but in reality, they have like 15 variants of this. So for you to find out kung ano po itang suits for you. Okay, lastly, this is our split cup. If you notice, adwala mo po rin, pero you can actually customize it. So, kahit ano pong gusto nyong drink dito, you can order it on this split cup. So, right now, tinta mong mango, and this one is avocado. This one is a strawberry and a blueberry cup. Okay, so here comes the best part. Syempre, taste testing, everything we can. As you can see, guys, sobrang dakalare ini. Pero mag-taste test mo siguro mabilan. And then, metong ka rin recommendation that is this avocado graham. So, like I said, abeya po ini karetang avocado blends or series na sa serve da. And surprisingly, very few establishment sells this kind of beverage. So, I'm excited to taste it. Tara, takman tane. There we go. So, steer tayo pa mo ken. Miyabe-abe na rin ang graham, avocado. At inya mo naman palang avocado bits keng babo. Which is, whoa, para talagang tatakman tayo itang pure avocado fruit. So let's taste it. Ooh. So as soon as it enters your mouth, talagang woo, this explosion of fruit flavor. Avocado graham. Metong pa. Okay, so next to taste is their creamy mango. At first may intrigue ko eh. Bakit na inaos creamy mango? Pero sabi na nitang kainan din, lasang-lasay ako talagang mango. So it's for me to find out. Let's taste it. Wow. So let's stir it first. Wow. So tingnan talagang real mango slices, Kenny. And then, wow, super creamy yan. I agree to that. Takman tayo pa si Bayo. So another recommendation for me is their blueberry fruity. Let's taste it. So this one doesn't really necessarily need a strong stir. On a hot day, wow, you will be craving for this kind of drink. Kumanta na. Yan man, ha? Good recommendation. Siyempre, once in a while when you go to a snack bar, minsan daranap ka mo naman, di ba? Gratefully, available na rin makanining snacks or kind of food kanining the Crave Bar. French fries with keto bacon. Wow! 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 Ali ko sure na nung difference na nitang regular bacon kay keto bacon, pero you might be able to help us by commenting that out. Pero para ka na ako, itang smoky flavor na ning bacon really complements the cheese. Manyaman yung kaya katamang fries. Ito, Crave 1 overload is an overload of patty, eggs, bacon. Look at that. And then sandwich yaking karelang bubble waffle. Whoa, look at that. Wow. So takman tayo itang patty daw. Wow! Interesting taste na. Medyo mas lamya na smoky. Pero partner rin tayo kay bacon and waffle. So, tingnan mo naman vegetable yan. Let's taste it. Oh man. Oh man, this one's really heavenly. Whoa! Look at that, guys. Price of 130 pesos. This right here is shareable, so you order any drinks tapos order one of these. Last to taste karing snacks da is ining Crave 2 Hungarian sausage. So siguro pinan tayo para ni para pakita kayo guys. Mga nano yung kilog. So here you go guys. Look at that. Scrape some cheese. Whoa! I'm excited. Look at that. So Hungarian sausage filled with cheese. Let's taste it. Whoa. I just love my job. Naman ah. Wait, kabalin, minsan pa dakala salamat kayong pamantabe. Sana po aburihin kaya kaming feature for this day. We would like to thank the Crave Bar for inviting us. So located dyan in San Fernando branch da kayong Erazone Square, San Isidro, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Just across yan mo po kitang San Miguel Corp. So, again, dakala salamat po. Nakarakal po yung pin-repair da para kaya kami. If you are interested to do business with them, mag-franchise kayo po ng kanini, make sure to message their fan page. Ito yung po Kenny. Ayan, nakakitse. Message their fan page. Active lang pong mag-reply. And then, they are very much willing to be partner with you. Ongoing na lang po rin ang branches na in Mexico and Santa Rosario, Angeles City. Make sure to message them or call them. So, once again guys, dakala salamat po, the Crave Bar. Apakapsi yun na kayo na naman. Until our next discovery, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Masantinya mo naman po yung karelang ambience Kenny, very cozy. Mas masanting po, abeta lang kaya katamong pamilya o rin kaya katamong barkada pa siya mag-hangout tamo, diba? So, until our next discovery, thank you so much.
Welcome to the Crave Bar!